Hello, P5 students. This is Miss Claire, and welcome again in our Math 5 class. We are now on Chapter 10. It talks about data handling. In this video, you will learn Lesson 1. It's all about bar line charts and line graphs. Are you familiar with this lesson? For sure, because you already encountered this during your Math 4 class. The learning objectives for this lesson are to read and interpret bar line chart and line graphs, and also you will learn how to construct a simple line graph. Okay, so P5, are you ready? Come on, let's get started. Here are some different kinds of charts. Charts, children, are very important so we can interpret a data easily. This kind of chart is what we call a picture graph. It uses pictures. And this one is what we call a bar chart. It uses rectangular bars. And also, this is what we call a line graph. Okay, for us to make a bar chart or a line graph, we need to have a data. So I have here a table showing the number of students and the juice flavors that they like. So as you can see, we have the number of students, how many students like mango, orange, apple, avocado, or guava. Now, this data can be converted into a chart or a graph. This one is what we call, let's start with a bar chart. So this is a bar chart. So here, on the left side or in the vertical line, we have the number of students. And in the horizontal line are the names of flavors. So as you can see, mango, there are 8 students. Since this is a bar chart, we will use bar or rectangular shape or square shape. So this one is for mango. So there are 8 students. For orange, there are 10. For apple, we have 6 students. For avocado, we have 12 students. And for guava, there are 18 students. So take a look and observe this table. So as you can see, children, so mango, there are 8. So 8 is here, right? So our bar should be on 8. And for orange, we have 10. So 10, we cannot find 10 here. 10 is between 12 and 8. Here, it's in the middle. So you can put this one like that. Okay. How about for the apple? Apple is 6 students. So 6 is between 8 and 4. So it's around here. Avocado is 12. So 12, we can find 12 here. And for guava, 18 students. So 18 is between 20 and 16. Okay, so this is how we convert a data into a bar chart. Now, we can also convert this data, the same data, into this kind of chart. Take a look. So the same data, but at this time, we will use a bar line chart. Okay, what's the difference between a bar chart and a bar line chart? Okay, the same, but at this time, children, we are not using the rectangle shape. At this time, we will only use a line. So mango, we have 8 students. So take a look, this is only line. Orange, 10 students. Apple is 6 students. Avocado is 12 students. And guava is 18 students. So this is what we call a bar line chart. Let's go to the other one. I have here a data. This table shows the temperature at the park for 12 hours. So from 6 a.m. until 6 p.m. So that is 12 hours. So we have a gap of 4 hours. Okay, let's convert this data into what we call a line graph. So a bar line chart is different from a line graph. How does a line graph looks like? Take a look. Okay, as you can see here, we have on the left side is the temperature. So we are using degrees Celsius. And on the horizontal line are the time. So between 6 a.m. to 10 a.m., that is 4 hours. So we have a gap of 4 hours. Now, as you can see, 6 a.m., the temperature is 20 degrees. So where is 20 degrees? Here. So from 20 degrees to 10 a.m., that is 18 degrees. So 18 is between 20 and 16. So we put the line in the middle between 16 and 20 here. So this is for 18 for 10 a.m. 20 is for the 6 a.m. Now, from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m., from 18 degrees, it drops into 12 degrees. So where is 12 degrees? Let's see what will happen to our line. Yes, so this is 12 degrees. So it goes down. Next, after 4 hours, 6 p.m., it goes up again to 16 degrees Celsius. So it goes up. Our line goes up. So this is what we call a line graph. So a line graph, children, uses line. So it means to say that it changes over that time, right? And as you notice, children, an upward line shows increasing values. Which one is an upward line? This one, from 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. The line goes up. It shows it increased the value. The temperature goes up. How about a downward line? So a downward line shows decreasing values. So from 20 degrees Celsius, it goes down to 18 degrees. So our line goes down. The same as from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. goes down also. So this is how a line graph looks like. Okay, now let's move on. Now, how to draw a line graph? Okay, so I have here a table showing the height of a plant over 6 weeks. So as you can see, so week 1 until week 6 and the height in each week. So how to draw a line graph, children? First, you need a grid paper. A grid paper is a paper that have different squares, that have squares. After that, you draw the horizontal line and the vertical line. Now, for the week, it's on the horizontal line and the height is on the left side in the vertical line. So let's start. So we have 0 here, starting point. So after you draw the line, you can put the numbers starting from 1. So you can use your gap by counting by 1 or by 2 or by 3, by 4. You can make by 5 or by 10. It's up to you. It depends on your data. Since this is only all about the height of a plant, we can use by 1. So it means 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, 3, and so on. So let's see. After you draw the lines, you have to make or use dots to emphasize the height. Okay, how does it look like? For example, week 1 is 2 centimeters. So week 1, 2 centimeters. So we put the dot here, 2. Week 2 is 4 centimeters. So 4 centimeters. Week 3 is 5. Here is 5 centimeters. Okay, then week 4 is 7. So where is week 4? This one is week 4. Then we have 7. 7 is here. So it means to say we put here. Okay, so that is week 4. Week 5 is 9. And of course, week 6 is 11. Okay, can you find it? Week 9 or week 6 is 11 centimeters. So we already have our dots. After that, since this is a line graph, we have to connect the dots using a line. As you can see, children, what happened to our dots? It goes up. So we will always use an upward line, a line that will always increase because the value or the height keep going up, right? Because a plant keep growing from week 1 to week 6. So we have week 1 to 2, to 3, to week 4, to week 5, and week 6. Now, I have here a question, children. What is the height of the plant between in week 3 and between week 3 and week 6? So where is week 3 here? Week 3 here, and the height is 5, right? So the height is 5 centimeters here. How about week 6? Week 6 is here, and the height is 11 here. So how to compute the height in between these 2 weeks? Okay, all you need to do is only subtract week 6 minus week 3. So 11 centimeters minus 5 centimeters, that is equal to? Yes, the answer is 6 centimeters. So the height of the plant in between week 3 and week 6 is equal to 6 centimeters. So here 11, right? Minus 5, so that is 6 centimeters. So children, that's how to draw a line graph. Is it easy? Okay. So during our Zoom meeting, let's try to make a line graph. And that's all about Lesson 1, bar line charts and line graphs. I will discuss more about this lesson during our Zoom meeting. And thank you for watching, and I hope that you learned a lot in this video. Always remember P5 to stay safe and healthy. God bless everybody and have a great day.